Certification in Risk Management Assurance (CRMA) training course. In today's complex and ever-changing business landscape, effective risk management is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for organizational survival and success. Did you know that companies with robust risk management practices experience up to 25% higher profitability than their peers? Without proper risk management assurance skills, organizations face significant risks, including financial losses, operational disruptions, and reputational damage. Individuals, on the other hand, lack the knowledge and skills to provide independent assurance on the effectiveness of risk management practices. Are you concerned about the potential risks and costs associated with inadequate risk management? Are you struggling to keep up with ever-changing risk landscapes and industry best practices? Our Certification in Risk Management Assurance (CRMA) training course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to provide independent assurance on risk management processes and controls. Through comprehensive training, you'll learn how to evaluate and improve risk management frameworks, identify and assess key risks, and provide objective insights and recommendations. For organizations, this course offers enhanced risk management practices, improved decision-making, and increased stakeholder trust and confidence. For individuals, you'll gain in-demand risk management assurance skills, the ability to contribute to a risk-aware culture, and a competitive edge in the job market. Mitigate risks and unlock sustainable growth. Enroll now and become a risk management assurance pro.